Hi, my amazing planner people. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and we have another Black Friday order, and I'm super excited about this one. So this is something that I'm hoping to incorporate over the next year, and I'm just really excited to open it with you guys. So here's the box that it came in. It's from a company called Hand Lettering Design, I believe. I'll link them down below, so if you like what you see, you can order your own. And I ordered a mystery item in here, as well as, like, as I was checking out, they were like, do you want a $10 mystery item? And I was like, sure, why not? So let's go ahead and open it. It's a nice box, right? Okay, so I have some paper here on top. And let's take this out. Okay. Hold on, one more thing. Okay. So, first we have Flourish here. Nice little sticker. I like that. So this is a company that is all about hand lettering and learning to do hand lettering. And not only that, but incorporating it as a daily practice. So it's like workbooks for that. And they include in their package so I think this is the package that I got. So it's the workbook. I got the tracing paper. She makes special tracing paper that's maybe a little nicer than some of the other brands. So I was like, yes, just give it to me. It's a nice size book too. So she gives you all of the different pens that you will need. I have some of my own that I'm going to be trying, but these are lettering pens. It includes 5. So you have the fine liner in 0.38, the fine liner in 0.5, the bullet tip in 1 to 2, and small brush pen and medium brush pen. And it looks like it's all on her design, but these look like some pens that I've used before. And then this is, it's 30 days of lettering affirmations. It's peace and calm. She has a couple different ones that you can choose from. And this is, I felt like the one that would fit me the best, or at least right now. And I'm hoping to do it all of January. So in here, you have daily practices. Like she goes over all of the different things here, talks about what you need and all of that, talks about the pens, and then you start getting into some of the designs, and she takes you through like brush pen drills. You have different alphabets. I think the goal is that by the end you'll have 2 whole alphabet ways of lettering. And she also has some that have more designs in them, so that like you're doing flowers, or what was the other one? I know there was flowers. There was something else. I want to say it was like cactuses or something, or maybe plants. So it wasn't the blooming flowers. So, and it has things like, you know, this is your design of the day. So you're doing the just breathe, space to practice, or draw down here. And with the tracing paper, the idea is that you don't write on here, you write on the tracing paper so you can reuse the book over and over, which I really like the concept of. The cover is a really nice, it's not cardstock, so it's like a plasticky material. It reminds me of maybe Plum Paper's covers. And the paper quality is really smooth, really nice. It's a, let's see how many pages are in the book. 80-page book. It's really nice. And then you have the whole tracing pad here. I don't know if it says how many are in here, but a decent stack. So you can practice everything. And then this, I think, is my $10 gift. So it says fine design cardstock. So maybe just more paper. I mean, that'd be fine. It'd be like an art theme. And like she has videos and stuff you kind of get with it. And all of that jazz. So let's see here. These are not bound, so it's just a really thick cardstock. Okay, cool. So I could make like signs or different things once I'm good at it, right? So that's cool. I'm happy with that. And I'm excited to try this out in the new year, see if I like it. If I do, I'll probably get some of her other books. I think she has a total of, it's somewhere between 3 and 5. I can't remember off the top of my head. But like I said, I'll link her down below. You guys can check her out and see if you like her. When I went to that most recent planner conference, we had somebody who was teaching about lettering, and I really enjoyed it and went, this is something I would like to incorporate more of in my life. So that's where we are. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.